What's going on, guys? It's MrPavla, and today we are unboxing this DJI Mic, which is the latest microphone from DJI. Let's open this thing. First we can see this small box, and inside is a carrying case with two windscreen, camera audio cable, charging cable and a bunch of instructions. Now move on the main star of this unboxing, which is a charging case, and on first look design is really amazing and beautiful. When we open this charging case, we can see two transmitters with two clip magnets to put on clothes, one receiver which looks nice and practical. DJI Mic comes with two transmitters, each with built-in microphones. Both transmitters support omnidirectional audio, making them ideal for multi-personal interviews and small studio operations. On top is display with a menu and a lot of settings. After we set up everything, our receiver is ready for work. Also we have a hot shoe adapter, and this adapter puts on the receiver. And finally, in this case, is Lightning and Type-C adapter. With 250 meters transmission range, you can enjoy the unlimited creativity empowered by stable wireless transmission, and it is amazing for outdoor recording. To properly put the windscreen on the transmitter, it's necessary to turn the windscreen clockwise and you will feel a click. This is very easy to do, but you must be careful and gentle. On transmitter we have a button that serves for linking if it loses connection with the receiver. The second button is for recording audio. At the top you're gonna see spots to put something like lavalier mic, and also here we have a microphone. On the left side you're gonna see there's USB-C port for charging if you don't using the case or transfer the data off to your computer, and also there's a power button. When you click the backup recording, a red light will light up on the top right corner. When you're going to put this Lightning and Type-C adapter on receiver, in my opinion, it's too hard, and this would be a small objection for DJI. With the provided charging case, spend less time worrying about battery level. The receiver and transmitters can be charged in the case to reach up to 15 hours of operating time for unlimited creation. That would be all of this unboxing video, and I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching, drop like, sub and follow me over on Instagram. See you!